Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into an epic emperor style portrait in just a few steps. First, just open your ChatGPT and then after that, just go to menu icon, tap on images and just scroll down and then just choose this styles that called me as an emperor, this one, and then after that just choose your photo from your gallery, or you can also take a new photo from your camera, your phone camera. And then after that, in this tutorial I will just use a photo from my gallery, and then I will choose this one and then just tap on done and wait for the process. Okay, like this, your regular photo is now transformed into a powerful emperor look like this with the royal cinematic vibe like this. I think it's so cool. And okay, maybe that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.